After 50, struggling with stubborn belly fat and low daily energy. Don't stress your body with high-impact workouts. This gentle 15-minute Tai Chi walking routine melts away abdominal fat in 2 weeks, boosts your metabolism, and restores youthful vitality. Exercise 1. Side toe tap and overhead clap. Step 1 foot to the side while clapping straight hands overhead. This dynamic movement accelerates calorie burn, stimulates blood circulation, and starts melting away abdominal fat while waking up your upper body. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 2. Chest expansion and arm stretch. Stand wide, hold elbows horizontally, then extend your arms while lifting your chest. This engages your core muscles, opens up frozen chest joints, and increases oxygen flow to revive your daily energy. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 3. Step back and chest stretch. Step backward into a gentle lunge, pull arms horizontally, and lift your chest. This targets lower belly fat, builds leg strength and balance, and keeps your entire body burning calories efficiently. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 4. Forward bend and arm swing stretch. Extend your heel forward, bend from your hips, and swing your arms back. This deep hamstring stretch relieves stiffness, releases deep body strain, and stimulates circulation for smooth energy flow. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 5. Up and down arm stretch with head tilt. Cross arms while rounding your spine. Then stretch straight up and gently tilt your head back. This elongates your spine, opens your midsection, and helps flatten your waistline naturally. Three, two, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Alternating up-down arm reach with core engagement. Reach one arm up and the other down, alternating sides while actively squeezing your core. This direct abdominal focus tightens loose belly fat while improving full body mobility. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 7. Lunge arm circles. Stand in a gentle lunge and make large backward arm circles, alternating sides. This opens your shoulders, stretches your chest, and engages your core and leg muscles to burn calories. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Parallel arm hug and swing. Cross your arms tightly across your chest in a hug, then open and swing them parallel to the sides. This releases tension in your upper back and chest while promoting blood flow. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Knee lift and arm opening. Cross your elbows in front of your chest as you lift your knee, then swing your arms down and out as you step down. This dynamic core movement works your abdominal muscles to melt fat. Three, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Half squat with back arm reach. Hold a gentle half squat with arms rounded, then open one arm straight to the back, following with your eyes. This boosts leg strength, enhances balance, and flattens your waistline. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 11. Lunge and chest expansion. Step forward into a lunge, pull bent elbows back horizontally, and lift your chest, alternating legs. This engages your lower belly, builds leg stability, and keeps your body active. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go! Exercise 12. Mountain step with chest stretch. Rhythmically step your feet like climbing while holding elbows up. Then open your arms and lift your chest. This full body motion burns abdominal calories and builds daily stamina. Three, two, one, rest. Exercise 13. Front and back arm stretch. Extend arms straight out, then alternate bending one elbow behind your back and the other in front of your chest. This releases shoulder stiffness and opens up thoracic mobility to boost circulation. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go! Exercise 14. Straight front kicks. Place hands on your hips and kick one leg straight forward, alternating sides. This dynamic motion directly targets lower belly fat while strengthening your legs and core. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go! Exercise 15. Half squat with overhead back bend. Cross hands at your chest in a half squat, then stand up. Reach arms open wide, lift your chest, and tilt your head back. This stretches your entire waistline and rejuvenates deep vitality. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go! Exercise 16. Side step with torso twist. Step to the side, bend elbows upward, and twist your upper body to look straight back before returning. This rotates your spine safely, melts stubborn side belly fat, and tones your waist. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 17. Standing spine twists. Stand wide, place hands behind your head, and twist your upper body completely to the back, alternating sides. This deep waist twist stimulates abdominal organs and flattens loose love handles. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go! Exercise 18. Single leg knee hug. Stand on one leg, lift the other knee, and hug it close to your chest with both hands. This final exercise boosts lower core strength, enhances balance, and locks in total body flexibility. Fantastic work today! You just took a massive step toward melting belly fat and boosting your daily energy. Which movement did your body enjoy the most today? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and practice daily for the best results.